first impression of the MusicSafePro earplugs by Alpine, because I'm going to see these lot on Sunday and I don't want to blow out my ears. With the amount that you get at concerts, anything above 80 decibels for a prolonged period of time, it is going to cause pretty much permanent hearing damage. So unless you want ringing or tinnitus or anything else like that, it's best to wear something like this if you're going to a loud concert or anything of that nature. I mean, to be honest, any musician you listen to on stage, they're wearing something like this anyways, because they know that if they don't, they're not going to be able to hear anything, or they're going to be done for in a few years. So yeah, pretty much I see it's no different as if you're doing screaming, like false chord screaming. If you do it incorrectly, you're going to blow out your vocal cords, and all of the nonsense about, oh, just drink cold water or ice your throat, stuff like that. It's not the same. It won't do anything to your vocal cords. They'll still be damaged for life. So yeah, but yeah, let's open these up and have a look. Let's see what we get in here. String, I presume that's like a holder so you don't lose them. Got a case here as well. Okay, so you've got cleaning fluid for them. It's 5 ml. And it's a spray bottle, but I prove that's going to be more than enough. You get this little case. You actually got the holders for the different, for how much decibel you want going into your ear, because you've got 3 different versions of it. But that's nice, it's actually very thin. It's really thin. We need to compare it to just a pen. Very thin, and you've got a little attachment here as well. These are the inserts themselves. They're very, very soft. They're not intrusive at all. I mean, if you're like me, so with earbuds, I don't like in-ear earbuds. They cause a lot of issue, pain. That's why even with AirPods, I only ever like these ones that just sit in and that's it. Or using overhead headphones, because they're comfortable, and obviously you can get noise cancelling ones and they're fine. But that's why with this, I actually read the reviews and read about if they're comfortable and if they fit. So I am going to put them in, see what they are like, but we'll go through that in a minute. So you get 2 of them. Okay. And now these here, these are the different types of how much protection you want. So reduction of decibels. Gold is 22, silver is 20, and the white is 16. To be honest, the average I've read for like concerts, or I mean any concert in general, doesn't matter what genre it is, but it's generally between 90 would be low, but it can go all the way up to like 105, even like 110 sometimes. And anything above 80, you're going to have an issue with your hearing. If I believe if you're listening for more than, I think it's like 15-20 minutes, that's it. It's the hairs inside of your ears, they basically get damaged, and then that's it. The vibrations, the noise going in, you don't hear the vibration anymore, and that obviously equates to the hearing, and then you don't hear that anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna stick in the gold ones. going to be it, just a little pamphlet and instruction booklet as well. And this just gives you the noise reduction in terms of percentile. So that's really handy, yeah. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'm just going to try these in, see how they fit, and yeah, go from there. Just as a quick additional note, these sections in terms of how much you want to reduce the decibel level by, the way these go in, so they look like this. They seem very easy to lose, so you need to be careful with them. In the end. Push them all the way in, and then that's in. So they look like, I've read reviews online at getting earplugs like these out are also quite difficult. I mean, this one's quite elongated at the end, so that'll make it a bit easier to take out. Some of these little like prongs at the end that you can just pick, but these don't. So I will go through that. Just put this one in as well. So yeah, you've got that. You can do it with any of the different versions. Okay, and that's in. That's what they look like. And they're completely in. This is what they look like when they're in. Even in terms of talking now, it's definitely lowered down. I'd imagine with like higher bass sounds and things like that, it's definitely going to reduce it. They don't feel uncomfortable, and they don't feel irritating, which is odd. So I usually get these with these types of in-ear ones, and to take them out. Okay, final thoughts. I've had these in now for about 20 minutes. This little bit of string here connects with a bit of a plastic end to them, which means you'll never lose them, which is really handy. But yeah, I've had them in for about 20 minutes. No discomfort. This is coming from someone who, when I put these types of, I get it with the AirPods, the ones that go in ear. I tried them, and after 5 minutes, they were unbearable. I literally couldn't take it. I had these on for 20 minutes. For me, who does not like in-ear stuff, this is comfortable. It's not intrusive. The material, it's not the same as in-ear like headphones. It just seems to be completely different. And I think these will be fine for the four-hour concert. So yeah, very impressed. That's the case with the other two different filter ones in there. Goes in their little handy case, and that's it. But I would recommend them. The main thing for me was the fit and the comfort. And these are considered medium size as well. So yeah, costing was about £25 on Amazon. I think the only thing better up from this is going custom. So they mold your inner ear canal and they have them custom made. But in the UK, well, in London, that's going to cost you between £70 to £100. But they're custom to you, so obviously they're going to be perfect. But if you're looking for something in the middle, these are very good. So yeah, see ya.